Hey everyone, my name is Harold de Guzman. I'm the head of AI and Research and Development here at Chris Rolfe AI SEO and Boulder SEO Marketing, a boutique AI SEO agency based in Denver, Colorado. So every week we share actionable AI and SEO strategies that you can implement easily so you can stay visible and stay ahead of the curve. In today's tip, I want to show you how we built a fully animated marketing video for our SEO pricing page using Claude Code and Remotion. No video editor, no timeline scrubbing, no designer, just plain English prompts. So if your team keeps putting off video production because it's too slow or too expensive, this workflow is for you. So let's get into it. So what you just saw is what we built using Claude Code and Remotion. So I did that for, I think, just 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll be talking about the two tools we use and how you can use them right away. So let's talk about Remotion. Remotion, instead of editing a video on a timeline, you describe what each frame looks like using code, and Remotion renders it into a real MP4 file. It's pixel perfect, fully repeatable. And then next would be Claude Codes. It's Anthropic's AI coding tool. You describe what you want in plain English, it writes the code and it builds out. Think of it as a developer who already knows your project. Put them together and you can produce a professional video without touching a video editor. So now, how do we start? First, you have to go to claude.com.download. In my case, I'm a Windows user. Just click download for Windows and just install it. Once you downloaded the desktop app, all you need to do is you have to sign in your Claude account. And then here we have chat, cowork, and code. You have to click code, new session, and then here select a folder. Let's create a new folder for our test. So let's say, for example, test number 3, select folder. And then here, I'll be making it easier for you guys. You just have to copy and paste this exact prompt. So npx create video at latest my video blank tailwind skills, then press enter, and then trust workspace. After, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes, it will install everything that it requires so that we can run and create videos on our local host. So you just have to click always allow. And just to save time, I created the exact step-by-step process earlier. So as you can see here, I pasted the prompt here and done. Your Remotion project is set up. Then to get started, all you need to do is copy this, npm run dev, and then paste it here. Now, your Remotion Studio is running. So basically, we can now start and ask our Claude Code to work with Remotion because it already installed Remotion skills inside our Claude Code, and now it can create, use best practice on how to generate a video. Here, just an example, I just ask it with no specific prompts. Later on, I'll be sharing you how powerful it is by using specific prompts. So please create a 30-second promotional video for this page. And that's our website. With just this single prompt, let me just show you an example how it would look like once it's done generating. So I would say this will take around 10 minutes. Let me just open my Google Chrome, and yeah, this is it. Let me go to full screen and press play. There's some marketing, full service SEO, the challenge, our services and results, why they choose us. So basically, with no video editing tool, I haven't edited anything here. In my opinion, this is good enough for me to use this as an asset to promote our page on our social media channels. We even use a Remotion video on our website, which I'll be showing to you shortly. Now, the video that you saw earlier was from the Remotion website itself, and I'll be including this link as well. So basically, this is the prompt, and I just edited the Open Claude to BSM Claude from what you saw on the video. And that will look like this inside Claude Code. See that? This is the exact prompt that I just copied from here. I just changed Open Claude into BSM Claude and hit enter, click next, just allow, and boom, that's it. You have a video asset ready that you can use. And last but not the least, if you go to our website, this is the next step, by the way. What I did here is, if you remember earlier, we created a new folder. All you need to do on this folder, you just have to add, if you prefer to use or want to use a specific picture or a video, you just have to add that to this folder under public. And if I play the video here, we have a relay of Chris's name and then the logo at the top. But yeah, just visit our page so that you can watch the entire video and see what I mean. So we basically use this video to upload it to our website, on our social media channels, to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. YouTube is one of the most cited sources in Google's AI overviews right now. Video on your service pages helps with dwell time, engagement, and AI visibility. This workflow makes producing that content actually manageable for one person. So I hope you like this AI SEO tip for this week, and see you on the next episode. Bye.